Ebusia mesa ye chia enwumere 8 o'clock ya wo hwe me awie wo hwe me enwumere soso wo san so ehwe me na midinchia bema manager Asantoa me dofu papa bi obaya ba bedu Ghana with Greece mami obaya my lovely obaya that is you made was and Monday on day Monday na abusa awia no hwe me and I came across Mbeka say voting for John Bawumia to become a president of Ghana will still give Fulani opportunity. And I met Chirem Kakra, Mesa Chirem Kakra, ma what yase. But before that, and before that, I in some 9 bin ya babu bosso. Woman be the above to just say, watchana ye the John Dramani Mahama AC the pre or hine ewa Nigeria. Ye bet him. Ena obabi so abedin komo maami bia ye kuni ba ko sie ne ba asemu Ghana new ECOWAS papa bia abedin komo about Nigeria ni penny bia abedin komo about ECOWAS leaders say they are wasting their time. Is Africans any and you know what they are doing, they are wasting their time. Okuja to block so abedin komo na busia before I bet to us no I don't think say na make a commercial break because okay make a commercial break there but ye more swear Papa, your friend of Quao, or USA, Abridgment platform, your platform, your Bobby B. Dewda, and did 3 days in po. And me pacho, oh, bong, I would see me, bong, phone, me pacho, bong, muntie me, so many bong. Ebusia Quao, one more 2 dear, your friend, Tulasi, and Tulasi, me pacho, Tulasi, Ebusiano, Munyan Cabo, among friend, I'm more this year, America or person when we didn't come me funny contact mama na abuja mesra also about Ghana almost 2004 and about Ghana no koye na me patron you say teacher ni one me babu mu di nipa miensa wuom kete Tulasi ono wawu na me so teacher ni na Tulasi ono so afirim amaki Tulasi ono so I think say on the otiasiana okay pastor Bako aye pastor friend divine Tulasi ono kra no ko divine I think say so wa ba kra me pacho sabusuan modeshia wa America opeso tem nkapa antino Tulasi abusuan mu wakpon on saka video ya mo frɛ me anyway yeto aso abusuan me yentwa ya mo semambra na fe yemedi nkomo
ene yakwa modern Ghana one hwe ya usika ni wajapade modern technology security behwe wajapade nyina mame nkamfo Ibic security services enfamao wo sika se ama se adwendwene ebeku a wajapade ho sa wo pe security e wo fie company hotel bank mines open escort construction project sa wo site anase bambo bia open Ibic security services ade be ma wo eno achi cars no a de sa wo frebusa ba bia Ibic security about GPS tracking. Trese, baby, wajapade ya wono. Obetimi ama wa monitor e baby a wugina ya. Se wo phone and monitor bia. Eniema bia security guide. Ekita ya pepper spray. Bambo ho ade. Trenchon. And answer security apparatus. Ibic security our branches bebre. And crime wo mo awosh. Eben farmer tema community aid. Bush camp. Sunyan wo mo odumase. Kwandada no. Ene snake building e opposite. Domain microphone so. Mumusa ankane Some Force Restaurant. Womu Hoppe. Ana for 020-30-37-326. Ana 055-4197-620. Ana 055-311-8013. And 0244-627005. Ibic Security Services. We na mi fi wa double hoba.
Abusia ye twa ye ho abade ye na ye nua ba bia ba bedin komo. Dan komono emu odu. And now you're on the 15th. Now, date in 15th and 16th. John Dramani Mahama, the president of Ghana, His Excellency, Mamin Fencha Cassia, Emmanuel Baby will be see the Nico Dihne. Now, I wonder, wow, Afena Iboki Nanyata Bayu. Say the John Mahama Kodihne, the any Afena Iboki Nanyata, but until they may have video number.
Ghana for me mama good evening assembly tree madrin so Ghana for money say nyame ya doma 15 for 16 Wednesday ebe mama ye did ko si akonya so friends Nigeria ye di mama ko si akonya so Nigeria enti si me pese me kama ne si asiedu ketia eye NDC fo mpanifo a omudi mama edi omonim se ombe omo president only the NDC party no se bi ka kire omo se mama beye offense ohini wo Nigeria no oba be president o Ghana abadia asa she fulani fo bo ama fulani fo posa Ghana fo to threat maye on show so sa problem no anase obesi from anase obesi from honorable educated nya go radio se mama ekoko ye ohini wo Nigeria se didi ko si akonya so wo Nigeria abra wo shefula ni fo bo a mu gina tinten so dan no president Kufuor betina akonya so wan shefula ni bia bo Jojo Mani betina akonya so wan she efen se je Kufuor ba wan she obi wan she ma be shefula ni bia bo fulani ni bia bo president efen se General Lawrence wan be shefula ni bia bo Atames wan be shefulani ni biabo wan be shewo biabo president bienu oba ya obe shefulani fo bo se obe ya mu kroma fo ayo mu citizen what create problem enti se a obe she no be solve ya di wo kwasi akonya so wo Nigeria me come and see NDC for penny force so any APP for penny force so say fitting there ko se mo be po bia mana standi amamo as a flag barrier or say whatever they call it mo po bia abe standi for president amamo sani pano mo hwehwe ni mo ye so ni Nigeria di bia na se won di hini bi okrobe so anase ni yere nya foreigner ye pe bia 100%. And I feel that to me no se nipa ne etani ayen to ma no en fa me ho mi se nipa ne etani ayen to ma no enough santa for president aye dia fa dia hye ho atade wo promo ano ntafo be bokro no mi se mpepe fo be ba be bokro no mi man asem ne kwa na me ka no mo hwe dia si won conform my so fulani fo na sate 30 ye no wan ko show bo anka wo nyina mba wan ko show bo anka wo nyina mba nti twam no pa no ye fa pepe ni bia president biom ye fa pepe ni bia president folk ye wo LS wo ho ye wan zimafo in fact ye fa pepe for fence president ye man pepe ni bia ndidi as a president of Ghana biom baby omadi no mu di nkodi aka na ebeba ho ban won na be sha mo bo obi na be sha mo bo ba be parliament se enti mi se Ghana force ma se kwa kodi ni hini wo Nigeria Wednesday aye be di ni kosi akonya so e wo Nigeria dia ene NDC for mi si mama on si for mo ye mpo ha ye ni Nigeria for ni twaka wo krom ha ye ni Nigeria for ni chi cha wo krom ha on be pass mo mayan on be pass mo mayan went to the yaka Nigeria for dikana fowu adiji ye market sector safa adiji ye juma ya ka wasema kwa mo ka ho hwe centra wacha mu mienu ono a Ghana ono kro yasa wo Nigeria debi we de yantimi tina ho Ghana fo mama moni na ho ne de ba no mo ankasa monya di se de won si form bako no ko de ni hini wo Nigeria yenya kwasempa fo ye be vote ama no ye ni mi se woni Nigeria fo wo twaka anase woni Nigeria be woni Nigeria fo awabusia anka ye nse ye mre to aba mawo na won fa Ghana and be posa ye nya de ye pe ye de tumi na hye won se wi afa na wo you rare colors wo hu bi da if say president na betra Ghana hanumo abetra Ghana konya wesu ye hu obi a wa che mu mienu se odi hini wo krobu for so say president of Ghana adai won ko atu bi be na wo pe e di Ghana fo be to senti samu ye kasa mu mayanka misi se semra ye kasa ntafo biara otani biara obe standing for presidential and I say MP.
Okay. I will share video ni akwa but according to this video, woman he patch say na 15 for 16 for your china brother. 2025 December. Yeah, the John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, the President of Ghana, kwa kodi hene ewa Nigeria. Mahama, Ghana for a problem bitches. Oh, Kano, I don't want you to speak the truth. Mahama, His Excellency. As a unfa Ghana form, my brabonte be katre straight up. Say Ghana no OGF yenti memufo ninsem. Nobody should come out and blame Dr. Hassan Ayerega. Some people are asking me why this man is quiet. Bribi Koso, and I am telling Ghanaians. Ebra John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, the President of Ghana, Beka, ye kwa quiet protest, no. Ako pamu citizen arrest, ako pamu chukudi judo, no. His Excellency can see a money 2 weeks. I've been seen there on Kasai. And now, according to this video, woman say Kosi Mahama hine. Mahama, people used to call me and say unye pure Ghanaian. I am not me doubt you if you say unye Ghanaian, how do you become a president of Ghana? I am not me feel say a propaganda talks. Me feel say people mutirimu no moka, but I am mama ko jiedi. Di enti ni ye bo wa hinie. The entity ebe siwa hinie ewa Nigeria. Already, oh papa wababa can say, oh papa, oh step mom, Nigerian. And people are telling me say it's never, oh step mom Nigerian. Yes, oh papa mom eye gonjani Ghana. Na oh mami fi Nigeria. But mama also kasa wa mama also oh step mom. So people are asking me say malopesa, oh jiri say mama ni real mom ya Ghana niya. What is say mama boni mami dinda? Every day ni father. His Excellency. No, baby, you need to do something. Say, you go see we need it. And you not say, Chukudi, oh, Penesus, or Mayane Hino Ghana. A Kobana say the problem, Brian. Mahama, with all due respect, my auntie say, and ye Jai Ghana Mayen. Jai Ghana Efa Mayen. That's a Nigeria because dear Kohenoma Air Kosobusham, I am Lukusu Nigeria. Medical beggar, I really can say, Mama is not ready to sack Nigerians. I am telling you, because you are going in and you are going in your or Nigerian. I will share with him. My young shad yewe. Fulani semina me beka ya me can say we should not vote for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Let me tell you. Bawumia nye boni bia. Mami chire mu na tiasie. Why? Na ebia no wan tiasie na ye say me ye campaign ama Kennedy. Dapi. The reason and say ebia ni say hwe mami fa Its Excellency John Dramani Mahama de ni yemfa to yemfa nyansa. Wo de forget to say ebia wo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia side. Enti me kan anya wo de nyabotre fa book ni paper na yenya mathematics. One Nigeria for ya be problem wo man mo ma be ya bosom kese ya yetu ma entui. Any ya see a citizen arrest. Mahama say His Excellency the President of Ghana, my father, say ne stepmother ne stepmother Nigeria ni. Na ne stepmother ne chan wotna ye ti that means na papa no kura no oti Nigeria kasa. Here is the case and na video ya abaywe kasa say and those watching you could see Mahama here in Nigeria. Enti Nigeria for ye nkrofo. Enti tuna ye see you to Nigeria for no. Brother, and your coin way so ye first so kasa wo media no. It by serious typical action. Mahama can never, even I can, it will be difficult. Some me take Ghana ha. Na ye beti yesi e malope, ye malope, ye si malope hene I was South Africa. Na South Africa for wo kromu ha me yo hene was South Africa. Obra mi nimse me ye Ghana ni. Na so yesi me hene was South Africa. Na South Africa for wo kromu ha. Na wo mo ye nuamo hu bia enye. Na Ghana for so mo mpe ma as a president of Ghana me said hene was South Africa. Busua. Me ka se kure bia na me wo girl was South Africa. E be ye dene se me pamo South Africa for. E ye fact. If you say, me pamo South Africa for mo be question say, hey, oh yeah, the one say hero ya hene wa na ye nkro ma, ana say nkro fa ye nya kasa oh sack wom. Na wo be ye den wa. Brother, eye fact, eye nipa so. Me kano kware a kire wo nipa. This my platform, I don't lie. Ade ne ye fita, me nya partisan. Me ni party bi achi na makata obi no kura so na mada obi ada pedi. Eyi na ma me kasa then if so because ehunu big painti anaboa serewa gege ne ba agora no ayi nani ato ncha ye nyina nim se Dr. Mahmood Bawumia eye Fulani ni se Dr. Mahmood Bawumia yire ye Fulani ni dia ne yire mponya Fulani ni no se ne step mother momu na ye Nigeria ni hwe de Nigeria fo ye wa ha 2 weeks pa ne ye kwakopa mu chuku ayi adeche o se ayi ye kwakopa mu chuku di no obekasa se papa mama bekasa se osra ye mani 2 weeks onim di obe abesi ne his excellency enkasa about chuku di anase Nigeria for sam brother enunti na mejina so aka se ye mistake edikan ye hwe ne ye mistake toso mi enu se ye kofa Mahmood Bawumia we MPP amaye flag bearer president wa Ghana na se ne yire edi peyi akokota kire fa blog mu nyunyu de fa na sumu a waka kire nsa sensan se ma Fulani fo kwan bra parliament brother ye nyina se ni mu se Nigeria Boko Haram yi eye Fulani fo no ene di mu akotere pa wa kire bi Fulani ni ba be ya ayi ya friend sen MP anase Mr. Speaker no abeshambra se Christopher wo kromo nyina mun convert me Muslims answer you be killer near they fine because any Fulani when they to a Christopher South Nigeria now want to mean ya sorrow in Nigeria you cannot call yourself a Christian in Nigeria. Boko Haram Fulani brother onuya bema. This is the reason Amika said we shouldn't vote for Dr. Mahmood Bawumia. This is the reason against Bawumia aye bone say ye MPP amanyo na mempo masema ede na Amika say ene ne sadia ye nto aba ne ma Kennedy MPP for Ntoma Kennedy. Me MPP ni. Now as I'm speaking, me follow Dr. Hassan Ayariga. I will never lie. And you do about also me malope Ntoma MPP. But me can no kure say ebe ko go di enko kona. If you say die ntia say nya Dr. Mahmood Dr. Hassan Ayariga na ebe wini dia. Say MPP Baba power with Bawumia there. Please, we shouldn't make a mistake. I am telling you. Sesi Akheniyama Ebo Boba and the Fulani for almost we are proud because of Dr. Mahmood Bawumia here. Samaria. One some of Mukati almost say ya mama nya citizen. And yet yes see what Nigeria ni bibe see what Ghana. And yet that's what Nigeria. Onipa jimebie na no kan we united threat enti abone yase won kawo a wonwe na senya de en kirew abone kawo a onwe na se en kirew enti me time Mahmood Bawumia me dono oye Ghana ni obi anso ma me kan jam se Dr. Mahmood Bawumia ni bi kura fi Burkina oye pure Ghanaian. Ye to amane ba ye president of Ghana akaye o na ne yire nti. Ne yire nti because ne yire aye Fulani ni. According to Kevin Taylor. Ye say Samaria allegedly ye say Samaria ye Fulani ni. Me can allegedly so no ntim ham kokot. The minute can you make can say as be using answer. Ne yire ye Fulani ni. And it is what say, oh, the yanka no cre. Some Bawumia yire Fulani ni. Anti Bawumia yire, sorry, Bawumia ye president. Anti vice pay first lady Berasa ni kurobu Fulani ni for yen deport wo mwana. And you possible. Adiebu a yanka no cre. Na the obi baby say, oh, no ke malope. Se Fulani fuoi ye mombe ye Ghana for. What is wrong? The wrong is South Fulani fuoi. Ana Boko Haram, woman Boko Haram. Muni bra ya sofa o Fulani for wo brom di o manantwie oba wo yo ba besia na akwafuo ma ne ya chew ne repu ebe si wo Ghana be ma ne abo ne oni boni a Fulani we fu edi wo mamu a. This is the reason why John Dramani Mahama, the president of Ghana, said we have a short memory. Me say, "Sasa no can be found no papa me a universal message or can ye a fabe bia a quite universal charger or the charge phone be a ye." Enti yan kai ayani a real fear dear yan kai nwama e be a sipen. Obenya Fulani ni bi oye good e wo ho a ompe boni suro boni. But do nwara Ochinanko any started recruit to military Ochinanko ne Fulani near parliament. Nana no beya de Ochinanko ni appointing as a Mr. Speaker. Ochinanko na mrebi bedie Ochinanko na wobre pre-presidential because of Bawumia hinienti. Ochinanko be pre-presidential say na Fulani ni bi cry a flag bearer o. Adia beye kokoboa na ne to kadwom say I am saying this. Meaning say MPP for na wo Bawumia side no will never like me. But sankanya ne yire Samiri akameka so bia to abane ma Bawumia. Ba ne yire nti na meka sa. And Bawumia himself even know. Say a lot of people are accusing him say Bawumia o yire nti antime to mo go Fulani for there. Recently yet today alleged it is a Bawumia yire ko bubu dan bi Canada Japan crofo bi ni ade webra na ni kunu na ye vice na say ni kunu be president any assemble de besie. Now the Fulani people will come out and say now the people are even a vice president first lady na me Kwame me ya Ghana ni this year na me was South Africa menya position ebia me ware South Africa ni ba na South Africa ni ba na be president of South Africa na Ghana fo e was South Africa di nkwasi asem na South Africa mani nyina se e ka kire president e ye me yire no se pam Ghana fo no ko brother na se me yire no ye president ne pemia edu anadwa meka senti babe o pamo men crofo so mun free Ghana and ye pamo men so ebe ye dia ma me yire so be pamo Ghana fo yen face fact enchire wonipa yen face fact enchire wonipa yen ka no kore no yen bie kro nani yen timi mie nenwu me ka no kore no enti se me no kore enti o hwa malopa bie wa eye better se me ka no kware no. Cause I am not doing this for money. I am doing this for the peace of this country, Ghana. And it's a mechanical I really love it. Bawumia boni bia. Onyashi. Obi baka say oni Akufo-Addo amamu eno na say Canada Japan X me sewa e kanu. Adwasafo me sewa no. En wo kan se party nya ayiza sanko be campaign mani kunu Kennedy but oye campaign ma Bawumia. There is no problem with that. Yes, baby o jump no di ni fufuo bo. But my case me kwa ma dwene o. Abusia me ma dwene ne se Bawumia yire eye Fulani ni die. Brother, se Bawumia be ye president of Ghana dia. Fulani fo kone be ye hard. De ba mo menya ntini dodo. Enu tira enye hwe. Yo. Abusia my be aba be din komo na before that yen hwe woman ya o se ne bam ye kuno no yen hwe sa video ni mra
na otumi ensa na masuma kwale yo masuma no so mfa de nkomo obi ana opetututu akwale so le we ndidi o wa nu so obi akohia na okwem ogbechire ha obi akohia akwale wo kwem no we kunu ya wo kunu ye no asansie no ni ma me dem ene chinchi ya hwehwa kwale chinchi na ye ho kwale yo za kwale na police for na chidi okunu da na tumu pra be 2 months ayen na ma ya boka man kan da Ghana for e di Bible sum ye na so be boy amane say obi adi ewo na ye ba na wayira no obi so no ku akwala no enti ne ba ne ku no wie no asensie no ni ma me dem Ghana fo wontie me ma no na me ni Ghana fo bia me ni obi mo wie bia metie me ni me mbei o me ni me mbei mi kechire yo mi kechire mi sire mo Ghana fo mo ngasa mami o mo ngasa na mi ni obia o mi ni obia Ghana fo mi sire mo mi mbei o mi sire mo mi ni obia mi ni kama fo bi o mi sire mo ngasa mami o mo na mo kembi ewo mo sire mo ngasa mami o papa mama mo nyina mo ngasa mami o mi mbei o me say yo munkasa mami Ghana for me squat aleni o munkasa mami
Ebusia eya rohosem ebra na mete achemtafo wo hu na me yakoda bone pa wo nse emamu a yedu some age bi a yaso eye dempa ti da bia na me bompa se me nkola brema so den no ma me ba mbema mfa bi sabre no na 5000 8000 2000 paper wo so pa na sika na eso pa eye 5000 eye green say ye beka say na 200 cedis na eso no se me papa ko kari koko a me na met Mr. Father nche Mr. Father na me ma me na ti Mr. Father na firi brapia me papa ko kari koko na ye hweso ma me e we kura nche kura se na yete ko kari koko no ko jiska ba koko kracho ba na ma munkam ska no bi na me de kokoro ma ko jimani na me tie kura na me ya bofra bone brother adia sa me ni baby a meda enti mednanti kromu a made achi ebra na me so saye na ko bi di miti kodada sabre ni we yewu yekun we obetumi ananti kromu a de unhunu hwe onte hwe sabre no but enne brother untimi nanti even 9 o'clock a wo chese wo hwe wachimpo moto kra ba na wo dwane Ghana ye hu papa e wo foreigners na begu o man mu ha Nigeria foi efa camera no omo show so Ghana is a peaceful come ye advert am o man obi am so o man ye fo obetumi abetena o man mu edi nkwase asem a wo pe nobody can do you foko and nothing that recently some George akoche 32 Nigerians omo what them yes coming na ase ye company no mebie ene mami isu ne bucket osoma nti menua ba wo hweme entokwa na ye kono ye kuma enkodai ye nyina daache ene video bi a mi hu ye His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne ba Rafo Senwan no soldier for dinachi kutachi o guide no so wo enya bone I'm not condemning that if semina me ye president aka me kro me for soldiers are protecting member a fact enti ano de me nkasa say His Excellency aye wrong but me person be gina no so catch Ghana for say semahu e kire say ne ba ya soldier for bon hu ban so akoda ne person 90 the whole day and night military are guiding him nothing will happen to him now where mami ya ni ba ya osoma ni ba so nkoto ade na soldier for bi di na chi minua ba asam no amalope kan mfa ni agoro na sore fa wontuma bebo media no na ye arise na ye mpanifo no ye de agoro da bia me kasa maham mpanifo wo banbo ene ni pai soldier for mahama ba soldier for na e guide ni o wa na e guide o won so na woto abama John Dramani Mahama man be ye president now wo dia wo sre mahama so wonyama o se foreigners ababa ye etutura asem wo mamu ha foreigners ejimi wo mamu ha we should sack them enya Ghana nkwa na epam foreigners like Nigerians so enya Ghana aseme ya kan His Excellency the President of Ghana enti se wodogopi enu abe se allegedly ya kayansa Mahama nko tetem me say Mahama tetem no mo bete na yama chuku di post chuku di Jude post afi ebeka say chuku di eye so and so for Nigerians in Ghana brother I am telling you Say ye tre social media ye tobe na action anya dwuma. A to say ya drafu ato ho na ya nhye ampama nnua na ye waste ye energy. Na bre bi beba ye bet so kwabana ne hwaniti amono so. Dia foreigners be ye wo krom ha. Ya nyere ye ho anko okun ensevu oman said your sergeantfo enso sevu oman Kwame Nkrumah sevu oman yanko okoden ni ansore ni yatena ye fie ni ye Nigeria must go brother. As I'm speaking, Nigeria for ne sere you if you say omo anom ka so mo ye Ghana must go and kanye dia ye yetete aye di agro wo Ghana must go ma ye bi penyo. And bitie one Ghana must go time no more. They said a lot of people even die in the sea. These Nigerians are criminal and wicked people. They are the people and what say ye humo bro edema. They are the people and say ye humo bro bin poya dien edema. Abusia, my uncle tie ye nua berema Okujato Ablakwa. Enkomo bi obedie.
Any foreigner who attempts to lay hands on our passports will be promptly apprehended and prosecuted. So far, we have rounded up 379 people, and we can share the data with you. And we want to build confidence and let you know that the measures we have put in place are working. These are the Ghana cards that we've confiscated over the last 10 months from foreigners, 379 of them. So it is clear that some people who are not Ghanaians want to lay hands on our passports, and they thought they could beat the system because, you know, to go through the process you need a Ghana card, you need a birth certificate, and they think that that is all once you have it. But with a Ghana card and with a birth certificate, you are still subjected to vetting. There is an extra layer by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs to interview you, to screen you, and our officers are well trained. They are psychologists, they know when you are lying, they can tell from how you would be. I won't show you the tricks, but we know, we can tell, and we will get you. So don't try it. If you are a foreigner watching us, don't try.
Me papa Okujato Ablakwa, we din komo. She numbers of Ghana card enough ekuta foreigners. Eyasemo orofo eyasem Ghanaians yan sori wate me pomcho mumbua malope mumwa mi o, we are coming out for protest oman way me no mienu ane eye mobo me metimi a prayer na me mawa ha kametimi a prayer Africana wo untimi nkobi enti dia me ye ne me yamma wo brother onuaba ekwa me ko nyina ya wo wuntira ene wo man Ghana ye nyina asumdwe ye wo no eno ne ye kasa ho ne ma mpanifo Ghana fo mpanifo ani ada ho so wo mo hwe no ma ye mistake a e de oman we e be sinke wo man we driver ni bi mistake timi de akwanhia ba mani padom ewu ye mpanifo ne kuto oman ti se ka e drive na baby e ko no oye passenger na wo te car ni mu bi na se driver ni drive ya de na wo sa wonya esese won ka kasa se driver o come Ricardo do driver who drive ni nya fe ye ne etua ka drive ni say maye eno ne e catch the president of Ghana Okujato say okay, how did them get this our Ghana card? Allegedly yes Chukudi kura wo machine e twa bi wo di fie sa papa Chukudi adwuma be no ese akwachi abutre gare a yenchi Chukudi need to be arrested and questioned about what company and Chukudi wo fiza ya kasa Chukudi abitima do abatu just say company way that man need to be investigated and the idea that Chukudi nko ade brother Yentie ECOWAS leader the embra na fe yemfancy because I don't know. Yentie nemra.
As far as I'm concerned, the ECOWAS leaders are wasting their time. If they don't do it in this way, they are just wasting their time. Look, the world has moved on. The world has moved on and left us behind. If there is no good governance, people will grumble. Mr. Okoro, go and tell those ECOWAS leaders that if they don't entrench good governance in West Africa, even the very sand on the ground will rise up against them.
Barrister, is that not what they are doing?
What are they doing?
You know, calling for responsible democracy.
So
yes, did you read the statement?
What they are calling? Oh, are they advancing themselves? This coup that they are carrying out against the people, are we not supposed to disagree with them? They are the ones that started the coup in the first place because of their leadership, because of what they are doing. Have they ever reprimanded any of their leaders who are behaving anyhow? Have they ever? Have you seen where ECOWAS leaders issue a statement and say, look, what is going in Nigeria? What is going on in Nigeria? What is going on in Cameroon? What is going on, you know, that they denounce it? Have they ever done so? They will keep quiet until the damage has been done. They will now start telling us stories. This thing they are doing in West Africa, even in the Western world where they go and hide their loot. Is it like that? Have you ever seen any leader in the Western world who changed the constitution to favor him? Have you ever seen it? Tell me.
But I read the communique and I expect that you read it too, because in that communique, the leader said, look, it is time for us to uphold good governance. Because that is the only
Talking
way.
is not enough, Mr. Okoro. They have said it before.
Okay, what else should they do?
They have done action. Let them put it in practice, and there will be no coup in anywhere in West Africa. Let them put it in practice. Mr. Okoro, you have states that you are supposed to be controlling in West Africa as ECOWAS state, and then a foreign power is intimidating that particular state, taking their mineral resources, taking everything they have, and you ECOWAS leader, you were there. Instead of you to say no, this is not right, and then come to the aid of your member, you went to bed with them. What does that tell you? You went away with your what? With your oppressor. Is that not why Niger and Burkina Faso walked out? Go and look at what France is doing to that country. And you ECOWAS that are there.
Papa ne kanono. ECOWAS, let me speak this in English. ECOWAS leader. ECOWAS people. You people are afraid that African countries, now the West African countries, all the African countries are now doing coup. ECOWAS, let me remind you that every country belongs to the citizen of that country. And when the leader of that country, I mean the president of that country, didn't do well for the people of that country, what is going to happen? I'm asking the ECOWAS leaders. This is the time you need to sit down with the leaders and tell the leaders, do what your people want. And that one will bring the peace to the country. Do what your people want. Stop saying we ECOWAS. ECOWAS, we are not seeing anything. ECOWAS was there when Chukwudi said he wanted to come and build his kingdom. Meanwhile, he's not a king. Even in Nigeria, nobody recommended him as a king. And you came to one country. Don't you know that it will bring a war? Don't you know it's going to be a big problem? That you are not from this country and say you want to build your kingdom. What did ECOWAS people talk about that issue? And we citizens of this country, when we wake up and go to Chukwudi Street and fight him, what would ECOWAS people tell us? ECOWAS, what is the work of ECOWAS? You need to call the leaders of the country. Now, what did John Dramani Mahama wanted to be a chairman? John Dramani Mahama to be a chairman of ECOWAS would be a problem for Ghanaians. ECOWAS in your perfume. And your tricks, ECOWAS people wanted to trace Ghanaian. So to use John Dramani Mahama as a chairman of it's a lie. No, it's going to affect Ghanaians. Now ECOWAS need that's when in Ghana. I am telling you, it is only Ghana now. Africa, everybody is pointing Ghana. Now let me tell you the truth. Obiania Bagana, Ghana is so different. Huh? Maybe I'm a maybe I'm a Senya foreigners insan samua anka John Dramani Mahama minia semia kafana ho But the way a Nigeria for any foreigner, any full and if we starting here or my moon, Ama is not doing anything. Brother, or mine in the future be. Eti medical ka say, enipa me ewo me gidi e kire me say o metimi esewu Ghana. E free nipa bonefo Nigeria fo yi. Any full and if we be no mu nsam. And say, yebato abanama Dr. Hassan Ayariga 2028. And now say MP before any mistake Uncle for Mahmoud. Must I repeat you? Must I repeat you? Mokai movie ane di Bahubali. Bahubali nankasa no. Ono na nanka hinie ne sano na ne yirenti yamfa hinie na mano. Bribinti yamfa hinie na mano, but later on ne sabe ka hinie no. Brother, enti mi bisa wo, ma mi bisa question na mi fancy. Me say, hwa ade a ye frɛ no odo emu yedu. Eba ne mpam, eba ne damu a the conversation between Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and Yere, nobody knows. Nobody, no be any dia koso. Me dia mi hu dia boni ama Bawumia ye. Enti me ntan no ba me say eba no edamu agro. Ah, the conversation styles are Bawumia yire Samira beyi Bawumia ene hunjije honi ade no me and you were not there say Bawumia kan ye yen nyire ni say ye wo mebu odu omu kompamu a sabi otafra chankwasia promises ye wo stable obayi wa anwan kwasia prom aje sha Bawumia ndo ne yire na ontie ne yire na so do no brother na sha Bawumia be president of Ghana Fulani fo kon be ye din efise ne yire ye Fulani ni eye fat Enunti na mame kasa no na enye se Bawumia ntimi mbu oman dabi enye se Bawumia ontimi mbu oman no dabi na ne yire nti na mame kasa nipa mi gidi e kire me se won betumi aboa yen e wo foreigners fo ntokoi eye Dr. Hassan Ayariga APC ana se honorable Kennedy Japan dia mimi susu no minim dia wodwene fa comment bra ye nyina e kire ya adwene na mo medical cut say January 19th no hwie be ye guso ye processor ye gi permission afrim penifo ho na ye nsaka wi a ye di date ne beba na ya kire say 19th p demonstration against foreigners and then nwumre meda wase say wonya abre na wo hwe me between the Elisha Malope benu aba wo London nyame hira o so wato phone amame nanso onim kwa befa so phone no ebedu Ghana owo UK enti mpacho mo abetimi aboa ma phone na wo bia wo UK na wo baba mpacho anasa obi bi baba mpacho contact me na me yefa phone mra na mintimi fa message ne bi nko TikTok na Ghana for TikTok no manage ho eche YouTube all because of data what you say enti abrojire phone mo mo hwem dodo chen Ghana because some data na different from here no Ghana for nya funny phone say TikTok no ko YouTube ko kan go check credit and it's a message I didn't care for you TikToker and can spread it papa Ghana for do donati after they say Ghanaians you have a problem in our village you be say kwamba so na be first messages ni be come village because now Nigerians allegedly matete say e bi mu dwane ko yenkurase also you have a problem e wo hopa ye be hwe ho pomasibre nyame adom ahwe mo kina awia benada 2 o'clock mesia ba me yedi nkomo ya me chira ba bi ahwe me free wo me comment section pacho de anya wo de no facha me eye Ghana so dwe ye nyina chira ya adwene kabi na me nkabi ma me fanchi ama wo a wo hwe me ba bia wo bia onyame nka ho na anya okese nyame adom a o kina ye besan ye hia me din a me krom e de Elisha Malope Macron bye bye.